Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create Canva templates to sell online. So first things first, you have to simply create an account on your Gumroad, and at the same time you have to create an account on your Canva. So to do that, you have to go to any web browser and then search for Gumroad. It's easy to create an account on Gumroad. Just go to gumroad.com, and then here what you're going to do is sign up. You can just basically create an account by just connecting your Google, or you can create also by just adding your email and password. Also, you need to create an account on Canva. So go to Canva, sign up here. You can also connect your Google account if you want. So once you're here, then all you need to do is just go and look for create a design. You can use from their templates or you can start from scratch. So all you need to do is find a blank page like this. Go to elements if you want to add lines, if you want to add patterns or graphics. There are tons of elements here that you can choose. So all you need to do is just go to graphics or look for that specific keyword that you're looking for. For example, square, graphics, patterns, and so on. Also, here you can add frames, shapes, everything is up to you. You can also add lines and so on. So here you can add also elements such as this one, squirrel. You can add weather, any icon, any type of emojis that you want to add here. You can just basically go to elements and then search for that and add this to your template. So I know that you can do better than this. This is just an example on how to create a template. All you need to do is just start from scratch or look for their templates here and just edit. So once done, you can tap the download option. Make sure it's PDF, download, and then after that, go to your Gumroad. Once you have created an account, then what you're going to do is go to products, tap new product right here, add the name of your product. So you can search or look for digital or ebook and then add the price right here. After that, next customize, add information, thumbnails, pictures, and so on. And then once done, upload the content right here. So you can upload from your device or computer. And then you just have to follow the prompts right here. Publish, continue, and then share this to your customers and clients. So basically, that's how to create Canva templates to sell online. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.